Hello viewers, I am Advocate Gear Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about the legal disability under Section 6 of the Indian Limitation Act. So, where a person entitled to institute a suit or make an application for the execution of a decree is at the same form which the prescribed period is to be reckoned, a minor or insane or an idiot, he may institute the suit or make the application within the same period after the disability has ceased, as would otherwise have been allowed for the specified therefore in the third column of the schedule. Now, where such person is at the time from which the prescribed period is to be reckoned affected by two such disabilities, or when before his disability has ceased he is affected by another disability, he may institute the suit or make the application within the same period after both disabilities have ceased, as would otherwise have been allowed from the times so specified. Now, where the disability continues up to the death of that particular person, his legal representative may institute the suit or may make the application within the same period after the death, as would otherwise have been allowed for the time to be specified. Now, where the legal representative referred in subsection 3 of this particular act is at the date of the death of the person whom he represents affected by any such disability, the rules contained in subsection 1 and 2 shall apply. Where a person under disability dies after the disability ceases, but within the period allowed to him under this section, his legal representative may institute the suit to make the application within the same period after the death would otherwise have been available to that person, he has not died. So, explanation: for the purpose of this section, the minor includes a child in womb. Now, section 6 subclause 1 states that where a person entitled to institute a suit or make an application for execution of a decree is at the same time from which the prescribed time period is to be reckoned, a minor or insane or an idiot, he may institute the suit or make the application within the same period after the disability has ceased, as would otherwise have been allowed from the time specified therefore in the third column of the schedule. So, I hope you are pretty much clear with the legal disability concept under the Indian Limitation Act. If not, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear all your doubts regarding the legal disability section 6 of the Indian Limitation Act in my next video. You guys till then take care of yourself. I'll see you super soon in my next video with another legal topic.